This is Chippy from UMC Portal, carrypad.com. As you can see, there's some stuff going on my desk here. Galaxy Tab 2.3.3 Android was released yesterday. It's appeared in Italy actually, and some of the bulletin boards forums have already reposted the firmware that's been dumped out of Italy, and using the Odin flash tool from Samsung, it is possible to flash the Galaxy Tab. Now there's a couple of forums actually I want to point out, samfirmware.com, and there's XDA Developers of course, and the other one which has a good basic description and guide is the galaxytabforum.com. And as you can see, I'm getting there. We are I've downloaded the main firmware. I'm not going to tell you how to do it on this video because I risk getting it wrong and misleading you all. But as you can see, we're getting somewhere with the Galaxy Tab. It should now be rebooting into 2.3, but I believe I have to do a couple more stages now to finish this off. So I'll be rebooting now. Doing the next stages. Back in a second. Well, it did boot, and it booted into 2.3, but there's still one more stage to go before this is complete, before I can mess around with it. So here we are, stage 3. Everything seems to have gone okay. Got one more thing to do, and that's factory reset, which I'm going to do now. Confirm, wipe all of the user data, and I like the way they've given you 10 no options and 1 yes. Let's do it. So that's formatting, wiping, and reset. We should be done, and that should boot into a very clean, fresh Android 2.3 build. Let's see what happens. Leave the camera on. So just a reminder, the galaxytabforum.com. Oh, there's a new startup sound. The galaxytabforum.com have got instructions and details from XDA developers, plus some additional instructions, links to all the file as well. You need to be a member of XDA developers to get the files, I believe, but that shouldn't be a problem. And yeah, it's fairly straightforward from what I can see. So this is standard 2.3. There's no routing gone on here. It's just basically a factory fresh European version of 2.3, which is multi-language. It should work in most of the big main countries in Europe, or Western Europe anyway. And here we are with factory fresh Android. And we are away. So I'll create a second video with some sort of idea about what the differences are once I've had a good chance to test, and everything seems to be working. Let's just see if the Wi-Fi works. Yeah, I don't see any differences here. And there we are. Stop build. Okay, one thing to do, I guess. Settings, about device. There we are, 2.33. Right, this is Chippy from carrypad.com, umcportal.com. Stay tuned on YouTube. Steve Chippy is the channel, and I'll throw up another video detailing the differences here. Galaxy Tab 2.3, finally.